No F bombs are armed and they will not be dropped. I really wanted to send a big thank you to John Crump for the interview today. I really, I don't think you understand how much I appreciate this. Um, for those of you that are literally just tuning in, there's going to be a link to the interview. It's roughly the first half of the stream, so once you get to about there, I mean, keep watching it. It's not going to hurt my feelings any, but thank you, John, uh, Rich. You really did live up to the traditions of the season, uh, to the absolute best of your ability. And so, thank you thank you.